Hey, yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, and today's video is on Cloud Payroll. So for those people who do not know what Cloud Payroll is a site which manages your payroll of your business and your other stuff, alright? So this is the short description of it. If you guys want to know more about these, then you can visit Cloud Payroll's official website to know more about it and its function and its facility and its, advantages, alright? So yeah, and let's get into today's video, which is on how you guys can log in into Payroll. So to log in into Payroll, follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys. Let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Cloud Payroll login. After you search for it, you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says login over here, which is going to take you to cloudpayroll.com.au. Alright, after you click on it, it's going to take you to this website over here, which is the official website of Cloud Payroll. Once you're over here, basically just enter your information like your username and password of your Cloud Payroll account and click on login. And the information which you typed is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Cloud Payroll account. But if the information you typed here is like your username or your password is incorrect, then you won't be able to log in into your account. So make sure to enter the correct thing. And if you guys forgot your password, click on reset my password to recover your Cloud Payroll account. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your Cloud Payroll account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.